So we've now unlocked the Collectibles tab, so we can customise our surroundings after playing our first game on Pinball FX. You will notice, contrary to what we initially thought, these areas are accessible, just not when you first start the game. So we can now customise our surroundings. Welcome to the Collectibles screen. In this mode you can customise shelves, posters and the carpet with items you unlock. So like building your own little man cave digitally basically, which is really good. Select one of the shelves and place your first collectible item in any of the available slots. Please note that the only items from the same themes can be showcased in a row on the shelf. So you've got to be organised, which is good. Look at this. This is good. Right, so these are our shelves. And it would be nice if they... Oh, my tables room. So, don't forget to select your table room over there. So, carpet. We don't have any carpet at the moment. That's sad. That is sad. So, press escape and we can go back. Our right shelf, though, what can we put on here? Again, we can put Zen Originals. We've got Pinball FX Relic, which you win after completing your first table. So if you click on that, we can display that proudly there. You can inspect it and use the mouse to spin around. So you get that for playing your first game. And we'll pop that back on the shelf. And we'll leave that right where it is. Let's carry on exploring. So you press escape each time to go back. I don't think we've got anything else for our left shelf. No. Hopefully by playing a few more tables we'll get something there. So we've got some display shelves for important stuff. Posters that we can get. And again it's separated so you can filter on this side. We have got a Pinball FX poster from playing our first table, which we're going to proudly display there. Press escape so you can see it's starting to build up on that right side. We've definitely not got any statues yet, but hopefully they will come in time. The remove button could be disabled, but I'm sure that will happen in the final version if you've got nothing to remove. And that's it for our tables room. We go back to collectibles. We can go on to tournament slot, which is our tournament room that we were looking at first, and it's got a similar amount of things, but you can use things from your non-tournament play, but it makes sense to keep it separate, doesn't it? So that is a quick look. The tournament room is the most impressive visually, I think, but maybe that will change as we build up our collectibles. And that's a quick tour around the collectibles, which you win by getting various achievements, including on playing on new tables. So the collectibles screen unlocks after your first table is complete. So don't worry, that is part of early access, and you should be able to get on it as soon as you've played a table. You don't need to buy anything because you have got access to the daily tables. Hope that helps and clears a couple of things up, and don't forget to stick around for more Pinball FX videos. See you later.